everyone and welcome back to my channel Avyana Ankita. आज का दिन इज लाइक रियली स्पेशल. आई एम कम्प्लीटली नर्वस. मेरे हाथ पाँव सब ठंडे हो चुके हैं. एंड पहले मैं आपको किसी से मिलवाती हूँ. कम 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 कम. हेलो. शी इज आदिति महांती. ओके, लाइक एकदम छोटी सी बच्ची थी जब मैं इसको जानती थी. एंड शी is into makeup and all, and बाकी सारी चीजें ये आपको खुद ही बता दे तो better रहेगा. Come on.
Well, hi guys, I'm Aditi. People know me as Maddie generally through my page. So I'm a professional makeup artist and a fashion designing student and rest.
So talented.
No, I'm not that talented. She's even more talented. So today we're going to transform her right here and let's see the magic.
And to be honest, ना तो मेरे को कोई idea है कि face पे like क्या करते हैं. मैं सिर्फ मॉइस्चराइजर लगा लूं, दैट इज मोर देन इनफ फॉर मी.
आज हम इनका सर्जरी करेंगे थ्रू मैजिक.
लाइक यू कैन सी आई हैव नथिंग ऑन माय फेस राइट नाउ. मैंने सिर्फ मॉइस्चराइजर लगाया है, नॉट इवन लिप बाम, नथिंग. तो दिस इज हाउ आई लुक राइट नाउ.
या शी इज ब्यूटीफुल ऑलरेडी.
और क्या जरूरत है फिर?
नो, बट वी नीड टू डू सम सर्जरी, राइट?
एग्जैक्टली.
तो
तो फिर बाकी की चीजें मैं आपको धीरे धीरे बताती रहूंगी. एंड maybe I'll show you the process but not the whole process. और final look तो फिर आपको दिख ही जाएगा कि कैसा होगा. So what are you going for today? What are we going for today?
Alright, so we are going to do a very vintage kind of modern, vintage yet modern kind of look. So yeah, let's see how it turns out.
I am excited and nervous.
Yup.
Here is the magician that we have. We are just going to start. But start करने से पहले बहुत सारी formalities होती है, process होता है.
Yeah, बिना music के I cannot work and music के बिना मेरा हाथ नहीं चलता. So we are going to do some amazing music.
ओके, अगर आपको ये लुक मेरे व्लॉग से पहले देखना हो तो फिर ये जो यहाँ पे मैंने 2 इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट हैंडल्स दिए हैं, इसको अभी की अभी जाके फॉलो करो. इस वीडियो को यहीं पे पॉज करो और जाके पहले फॉलो करो. वहां पे आपको सब दिख जाएगा यार कि व्हाट अ ग्रेट आर्टिस्ट शी इज. हाथों में जादू है इसके. आई एम टेलिंग यू. एंड शी इज गिविंग मी दैट वियर्ड लुक कि व्हाट आर यू सेइंग, but she is. I'm telling you. Okay, so now I have changed this whole thing and here she is. She is all set to give me a new look. See. Can't wait. Okay, so this is your passion as well as profession.
Right.
तो देखो ये like आया कहाँ से? Where did you get this from?
So since like childhood, you know already how much I love lipstick, right?
Yeah.
So I think it was like God's plans maybe. So
I remember whenever you used to visit our house, it was always like she'll be putting like
red lipstick, bold lipsticks on my face, correct?
And she was like little kid, huh? So
maybe like 7,
yeah,
not even 7, 6 or 7 years.
6 or 7 years old, you know, and putting that bold lipstick. I was like, damn.
I used to die for lipstick.
Huh. She used to always pick her mom's lipsticks and all, and then she would be putting it all over her face, not lipstick,
right,
makeup and everything. I was like, मैं powder लगा दूँ पहले उतना बहुत है. And see where she is and where am I?
I think बचपन से I knew कि I need to do something in makeup because I really used to love it. I still do.
Yeah.
So yeah, it just went on with it.
Okay, so देखो अपना पहला like खुद का मेकअप किट कब मिला था?
Probably when I was in standard 5 or 6, I must be like.
Standard 5 or 6?
Yeah.
Like proper वाला makeup kit?
हाँ, proper वाला makeup kit. वो भी there was a thing कि if you get good marks,
हाँ.
you will get whatever you like.
हाँ.
ठीक है, तो I was like, this is a jackpot for me, and I really need to get good marks. Though I was very bad in chemistry and everything, but you know, my dad is really good in maths, and he says कि तुम्हें जो पसंद है, at least उसमें you get good marks, so you'll get whatever. And I backed up with really, you know, good marks. So that was my first kit I got, and it was a really big kit. I cannot show you now because you know I have thrown it up because of this thing. It was expired and everything, but yeah, that was my first one.
तो तू मतलब ऐसे usually उसी टाइम से you are more into makeup, like completely.
Yeah, when I was in standard 6, and when I got my first kit, I knew कि I need to do something with this because I really love doing makeup on myself and on others. So yeah, that was pretty much, you know, the time I knew कि this is the thing I'm going to do.
Okay, now next is तेरे को अपना पहला कस्टमर कब मिला था, like your actual client जिसको कि जिससे तुझे first payment मिली हो, and
Okay,
how
so
much was it?
All right. So when I was, you know, after I completed my 12th, I was sitting at home doing nothing. So I was like, "Ki, why not go and learn it?" So after that, in my vacation, I went to Delhi to professionally learn it, and after that, I started, you know, doing it professionally. And I got my first client right after I came back, you know, by learning professionally. So that was the thing, and the first payment I got was ₹1,000.
₹1,000 for?
Yes, ₹1,000 for I did her engagement makeup.
Engagement makeup, great. So like I have seen all your makeup price list and everything. So you are like charging good enough. Like very reasonable price कि हाँ कोई भी उसको afford कर सकता है. It's not like नहीं कर सकते.
Too much or something. To be honest, yeah, I need to see the place where I am right now. I mean, I could charge like other people as well, but since I'm still learning and you know, I'm still a kid, to be honest. Like I'm 19 now, and there are people who are very much, you know, experienced than me. So I believe I should charge something which people know my worth first, and then, you know, come to me. So I think I'm on a good page. I might, you know, I might just
at least Uncle and Auntie are completely proud of you. Like,
thank you so much.
I'm so proud of you.
I feel, you know, if someone gives you the liberty to do whatever you want, it's my I don't like to say responsibility, but I think you know, it is my responsibility to make them proud. Yeah. Do you need a tissue paper?
No.
Don't cry, you'll spoil everything. Yeah. I think you are equally making your parents proud, so that's the thing.
I hope so. That's true.
You are.
Like each and every one of us,
you know,
even the person behind this. Like,
to be honest,
when
I was like small, like when I was young, my dad used to tell me every single day कि तुल्ली को देख. I mean, if I'm allowed to speak in Odia, like तुल्ली ना बहुत बड़ा कराटे करती, तू भी कराटे कर. Like, but karate is not my thing. Yeah.
Exactly.
You know, do whatever you like.
Even today morning also, Mama said कि Tanu, she's of your age. Look at her.
Every parent does this, come on.
And then she comes up with a statement. वो compare करो नहीं.
Exactly. Every parent does that.
Then what are you
doing?
So like each and every one of us is making our parents as well as our family, friends,
exactly. And we should, yeah, to be honest, they totally, you know, have just one wish कि we should settle. That's it. They don't even expect us, expect us to do anything else.
So this is the last in this
almost
setup.
The last, yeah.
Almost the last. इसके बाद मैं जब आपको मिलूंगी, it will be like completely
a kind
the
of
final look.
Yeah.
You know, so
yeah.
So here is the final look. Like, look at this. I love this. Like, I literally love this. Come here. I can't. Like, this is the first time I'm doing this makeup, and see what she did. Before
really
after
hope-
एकदम.
Yeah, I really hope कि people also like as much as we love it. So here's the vintage
And
thing.
to see all the amazing pictures and reels,
Follow my page on Instagram, which is @MaddieMakeovers.
को भी
Follow her as well. And cameraman beauty is
we are
starting
just
right now.
going to click all the pictures which will be up on both of our Instagram IDs. So all the IDs links I'll be giving in the description box. जल्दी जल्दी जाओ और फिर follow करो. Now we are done with everything. Like I'm completely tired. I just had my lunch also, and as she said कि जब lunch like breakfast heavy करना नहीं तो मैं आपको जहन्नुम दिखा दूंगी. Like literally she showed me the hell. जितना effort यार इस चीज में गया है ना, I really hope कि आपको वो सारा effort दिखे through like
Through your vlogs,
exactly,
through pictures, everything.
So we really think कि जब तक like how many days will it take?
It will actually take a week or so for the editings and everything, but yeah,
Okay.
let's hope it turns out really good and hope you all like it.
यार तो अभी मेरे में बिल्कुल भी पेशेंस नहीं है कि मैं एकदम से सब चेंज करके फिर मैं आराम से व्लॉग एंड करूँ. सो हियर इज द एंड ऑफ दिस व्लॉग. अगर आपको ये व्लॉग पसंद आया तो प्लीज डू लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट
And subscribe.
और अगर आपको या फिर आपके किसी रिलेटिव को या फिर किसी को भी मेकअप के लिए कुछ भी जानना हो या फिर आपको चाहिए कि कोई आपको परफेक्ट सी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट मिले तो हियर शी इज. मैं सारी डिटेल्स तो वैसे ही दे दूंगी और बाकी फिर आप इससे डायरेक्टली कांटेक्ट कर देना. तो कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना मत भूलना कि आपको मेरा ये लुक कैसा लगा और इसकी तारीफ में भी बहुत कुछ बोल देना. चलो, until next time, bye.
Peace.